Being a good neighbor. Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I want to talk about something that can make our lives happier and our communities stronger. Being a good neighbor. Most of us spend a lot of time at home. We know our family well, but we also live close to other people. These people are our neighbors. We may not see them every day, but they are an important part of our lives. A good neighbor can make a neighborhood feel safe, friendly, and welcoming. So, what does it mean to be a good neighbor? I don't think it means doing something big or expensive. It often means doing small things with kindness and respect. The first step is to be friendly. A simple smile or a warm "good morning" can brighten someone's day. You don't need a long conversation. Just saying hello shows that you care and helps build a positive relationship. Being polite is also important. If you play music, keep the volume at a reasonable level. If you have guests, try not to make too much noise late at night. Everyone needs peace and quiet, especially after a long day. Respecting other people's space is another sign of a good neighbor. Keep shared areas clean. Don't block someone's driveway. If you live in an apartment building, be careful not to leave your belongings in places where they may disturb others. Small actions like these show respect for the people around you. Helping your neighbors is another wonderful habit. If an elderly neighbor needs help carrying groceries, offer to lend a hand. If someone is away on vacation, you might collect their mail or water their plants if they ask. These simple acts of kindness create trust and friendship. One thing I enjoy is having a short conversation with my neighbors from time to time. We talk about the weather. We ask how each other is doing. Sometimes we share gardening tips or recommend a good local restaurant. These small conversations help us feel connected. Of course, no neighborhood is perfect. Sometimes problems happen. Maybe someone parks in the wrong place. Maybe there is too much noise. Maybe there is a misunderstanding. When this happens, it is better to stay calm and speak politely. A respectful conversation can solve many problems. Getting angry usually makes the situation worse. Another way to be a good neighbor is to keep your surroundings clean. Don't throw trash on the street. Take care of your garden or balcony. A clean neighborhood is more pleasant for everyone. Being responsible also means looking out for one another. If you notice something unusual like a broken gate or a water leak, you can let your neighbor know. If you see someone who needs help during an emergency, don't ignore them. Communities become stronger when people care about each other. Festivals and holidays are also a great time to connect with neighbors. Sometimes people share homemade food or sweets. They decorate their homes. They greet each other and celebrate together. These traditions help build a warm and friendly community. Children can also learn the value of being good neighbors. When they see adults being kind, respectful, and helpful, they often learn to behave the same way. Kindness has a way of spreading from one person to another. One thing I have learned is that you don't have to be close friends with every neighbor. But it is always a good idea to be respectful, polite, and helpful. A peaceful neighborhood makes life much more enjoyable. Imagine living in a place where everyone smiles, helps one another, and respects each other's space. Wouldn't that be a wonderful place to live? The good news is that each of us can help create that kind of community. Begins with simple actions. Say hello. Be considerate. Offer help when you can. Respect other people's privacy. And always choose kindness. Being a good neighbor doesn't take much time or money. It simply requires a caring heart. Small acts of kindness can make a big difference. One friendly conversation. One helping hand. One thoughtful gesture. These things can create strong relationships that last for many years. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. Do you know your neighbors? How often do you talk to them? Have you ever helped a neighbor? What qualities do you think make someone a good neighbor? And what is one kind thing you could do for a neighbor this week? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Remember, kindness begins close to home. Be friendly, be respectful, and help make your neighborhood a happier place for everyone. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.